Welcome back, guys. It's Friday again. Don't know where that week's gone. It's gone crazy. Now, instead of doing another tutorial, I'm kind of carrying on from last 4 Minute Friday, where I've shown you that the Gopro Hero 6 or did a demonstration of it being waterproof. Kind of the same thing, but this time it was in the Mediterranean Sea, just off Ibiza. Beautiful time. Just got back. You wouldn't believe it because I'm not really tanned, but I try and stay out of the sun. I don't really like it, if I'm honest, so I try and stay in the shade as much as I possibly can. I lather myself in sun cream. It's about that thick by the time I'm done. I was going to do a vlog of my time away there as a video for today, but it's a bit long and there's a lot more editing to do yet, and with it being my first travel video, it's kind of like, I don't think it's going to be very good. Have a look at the link below for my Instagram, because that's got a lot of the holiday pictures on as well. Yeah, a few little tweaks here and there. So right now I'm just going to show you some footage from this little cove or cave or bay that we found. It's quite private, quite secluded, it's quite out of the way. There was nobody around and it was a nice little spot, but because me and my brother-in-law decided to go snorkeling in this cove, we didn't realise there was a lot of sea urchins around. And I mean, there was a lot of sea urchins around, so we had to stay out of the way. If nobody knows what a sea urchin is, or one of the sort, the like little round black pieces of destructive force, they're horrible. You don't actually have to touch one to get poisoned by them or whatever it is, or injected. They can shoot the spikes at you, so we had to stay quite far away from them. In the bay itself, there was actually a lot of them around, so we couldn't really get a lot of footage from that bit. But anyway, this is just more like an extended demonstration of it, so just to show the beauty of this cove off and where we were. So I hope you enjoy the video. So make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell next to it as well, and stay up to date with all the latest uploads. Make sure you check out my Instagram and enjoy the video, guys.
Does this thing record as soon as you turn it on?
No, you just turn it on and you press the top button.
I think it's recording.
Is there a red dot?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's really elegant.
You get some good footage down here.
Woo. Woo-wee. Nice, isn't it?
Lovely.
So that wasn't very long. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I have got a further video of going on a boat trip and everything, but that'll be in the vlog. Make sure you check that out when I upload it. And I'll see you on the next video, guys.